everyone. You are watching Tech JCRC, and today we have got something engaging. We are in conversation with Mr. Shyam Sunder Prajapati, Technical Trainer and Additive Marketing Expert, representing the Marek Institute of Computing, Artificial Intelligence, Robotics and Cybernetics. So let's dive deep into the world of how NIMS is preparing students for the industries of tomorrow. Hello, sir.
Hello, very good morning.
Yeah, sir. Just give a brief introduction about your college.
So basically, NIMS University is known as like the National Institute of Medical Sciences. So we have established in 2000, early 2000s. So thereafter, like the university was in totally medical sciences. Thereafter, they have expanded themselves into all over the education sector. So we do have our own school, our own medical college, medical dental college. We do have our engineering facility also. Right now we have established one institute, Marek Institute, direct collaboration with some foreign universities. So and also we do have our own incubation center, placement cell. So over there we prepare students how they can just get recruited into companies. And also we do have facility like collaboration with different companies, different industries. So directly those companies used to come to our college, and students can get placed into that. Also for medical students, we do have our own hospital facility. So we do have multiple hospitals. So for medical purpose, students directly get recruited from the college for their own respective medical colleges.
So what are you waiting for? Like, share and subscribe our channel Tech JCRC now.